Hi, this is the first of a two-part videos demonstrating how to create an RFQ in sourceit. So the first thing I'm going to do is from the menu selection here, I'm going to select create a quote request. Here you'll see my client name appears. I have various contacts that I've preloaded into the system. I also have billing contacts. Your contacts and your billing contacts will depend on the workflow that you have chosen. I'm given four options in terms of how do I want to create my quote. Do I want to create it from new? Do I want to use an existing product, which means I'm going to clone and copy all the information across? Do I want to create from an existing product? I'm going to clone the information, but I'm going to make some corrections. Or do I want to create from a product template? For this demonstration, we are going to create from new. The next option we have is product type. So what I'm going to do here is we have 27 different product types that you can select from. You can see they range from brochures, letterheads, followers, specialty display items, banners, etc. In this case, we've selected brochures. The first option I'm then asked to provide in terms of information is quantity. You'll notice here that the default setting is offset printing. If I select a quantity of 100, the system will automatically change to digital, but I can override that. We're going to leave that at 1000, but I'm also going to add an additional quantity as well. I'd like to have 2000, and you can add as many different quantities as you would like by simply selecting add another quantity. As I scroll down, I can make this item or this quote as part of a project if I wish, and I can also build and create teams. So here I've opted for just sent to me. If I select to a team of people, you can see here I've created a number of different teams. I'm going to select the election team, and that will include those users in the quote request. I then come to my quote and job milestones. It's a very important part of the RFQ process. The first thing that sourceit does is it will automatically set the return price from the supplier to be 5 p.m. the following business day. I can change that by date, and I can also change that by time. I can also set at quote stage information relating to when I will award the job all the way through to delivery. So here I'm going to let the supplier know that I wish to have the job dispatched by 1:30 p.m. and I need the job delivered on the same date by 4:30 p.m. I also can select a green star rating for the supplier, currently set to 2 stars for this particular client. I can change that to any rating, or I can move that up to a 5-star rating. That completes the first page of creating a quote request. We'll continue the quote request in our next video